about to prepare the cabin for landing. Please now power off all personal electronic devices. Return to your seat and make sure your bags are placed in the overhead lockers or under the seats in front of you. If you have changed seats during the flight, you need to return to the seat on your boarding pass. And if you are sat in our business class or exit rows, all cabin bags must be placed in the overhead lockers. Please place your seat, footrest, entertainment screen and tray table in the original position, and make sure your window blind is up and your seat belt is firmly fastened. Thank you.
Left a set of rings in the centre toilet, 3 rings, ladies' rings. Could you please contact one of the cabin crew as we found them? Thank you.
G'day ladies and gentlemen, Captain speaking. As you may have felt, we've commenced our descent into Dubai, where the temperature is a very pleasant 23 degrees, a light onshore breeze. And we have managed to make up some time tonight, and air traffic control haven't mentioned anything about holding, so at this stage I plan on touching down at 15 minutes to 8 and have you disembarking shortly thereafter, which is approximately 20 minutes ahead of schedule. I hope you enjoyed your flight with us last night. It was certainly my pleasure having you on board. On behalf of my whole crew, Qantas and our partner airlines, I'd like to thank you for joining us and wish you good morning.
Once again, the seatbelt sign has been illuminated. Please, all passengers and crew must now be seated with their seatbelts firmly fastened. Welcome to United Arab Emirates. The local time in Dubai is 7:47 on Wednesday the 11th of December. With your safety in mind, please remain in your seat until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign, and if your mobile phone is handy, you may now switch it on. If you are continuing with another Qantas or Emirates flight, check the screens throughout the terminal for details of our next departure, and please follow the red connection signs through the security checkpoint and head upstairs. If you don't have a boarding pass, you'll then be able to make your way to the central connection desk, and Qantas or Emirates ground staff will be available and always happy to help. If your next flight is at a different concourse, you need to take a short journey on the SkyTrain to your gate. Please keep an eye on the screens and leave plenty of time to get to your gate, as boarding announcements are not made here in Dubai Airport. If you are staying in Dubai, simply follow the blue arrival baggage reclaim signs. On arrival at the terminal, everyone must leave the aircraft, and during our transit, your cabin baggage cannot stay on board. Make sure you take your passport, tickets and boarding pass with you for reboarding. This aircraft will be clean, so make sure you do remove any personal items from your seat and seat pocket. As soon as you arrive at the terminal, I'll advise you what gate number you need to reboard at for the QF2 onto Sydney. And please take care when opening overhead lockers, as your bags may have moved and could fall out. And remember to check your seats for one last time for any personal items you may have stowed. Once the seatbelt sign is off, you'll be leaving through the forward left-hand doors, and just a reminder, smoke is not permitted unless there's a designated smoking area within the terminal. Once again, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign has been switched off, and on behalf of the Qantas team, I'd like to thank you for flying with us, and remember, when next planning your trip, make your first destination Qantas.com. Thank you and good morning.
Yeah, this is, you know what it says now? I was just doing this. I literally saw that a lot, but I just kept on doing this. This is an old it's not the A380 800, is it? It is the 800 that's an older one. It is. This whole rate. I need the supply chain.
Cabin crew disarm doors.